Hello and welcome to all. Today we are going to start that second chapter, that is a parallel lines. In these parallel lines we have discussed that properties of angle formed by parallel lines and its transversal, then test of parallel lines of two lines, then use of properties of parallel lines. All these that topic we cover in this chapter. So first of all we know that the definition of parallel lines. So here two definitions are there of parallel lines. First definition say that if two lines are in the same plane and they do not intersect to each other, then these these lines are called parallel lines. So in your book that there will be second definition, they will be given that the lines which are coplanar and do not intersect to each other are called parallel lines. Any definition you will refer that both definitions are very easy. What say that first definition, that if two lines are in same plane and they do not intersect to each other, म्हणजे दोन रेषा आहेत आणि ते एकमेकांना छेदत नाहीत. तर एक्झाम्पल इथं दाखवल्यात पहा, लाईन एल अँड लाईन एम, these two are the parallel lines, and these P and Q lines they intersecting at point O, so these are not parallel lines. These are the examples of that parallel lines. Examples of parallel line we can say that railway track. Now let's see that in the figure. In the figure they will be show that the pairs of corresponding angles, that is 15, 26, 37, 48. These are the pair of corresponding angles. Then pair of interior alternate angles 4, 6, 3, 5. This is a 4, 6 and 4, 6 and 3, 5. These are nothing but the interior alternate angles. Now that pair of exterior alternate angles 1, 7, 2, 8. This is 1, then 7 and 2, 8. These are exterior alternate angle. Alternate angles. Then the linear pair of angle, that 1, 2, angle 1, angle 2 is equal to that. These are the linear pair 180 degree. Then angle 2, angle 3, 180 degree. Then angle 3, angle 4, again 180 degree. Angle A, angle 4, angle 1, that is again 180 degree. Then interior alternate angles on of same side, that is a 4, 5. Which one? 4, 5. This 4, 5 is equal to 180 degree. Then 3, 6 is equal to 180 degree. And then vertical opposite angles are equal and congruent. So see, angle 1 and angle 3, these are the vertical opposite angles. Then 2, 4, then 5, 6 and 6, 8. 5, 7 and 6, 8. These are the vertical opposite angles. Now see here in linear pair angle. Linear pair angle means that जो कि एक लाइन के ऊपर बनते हैं उसको बोलते हैं हम लीनियर पेयर एंगल. और पेयर्स ऑफ इंटीरियर अल्टरनेट एंगल्स क्या होते हैं? पेयर्स ऑफ इंटीरियर अल्टरनेट एंगल्स दैट्स हैविंग सीधा और उल्टा जेड बनाते हैं, जो कि पेयर ऑफ इंटीरियर अल्टरनेट होते हैं. 4, 6. सी हियर 4, 6. यहाँ पे देखो ये 4 और ये 6 और ये 3, 5. इस तरह से क्या है, उल्टा और सीधा जेड वो क्या है तैयार करते हैं. Angle properties of these. See, when two lines intersect, the pairs of opposite angles formed are congruent. Pairs of opposite angles that's having formed that congruent. So see which pair that's having opposite angle. See these pairs that's having opposite angles that are congruent is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, angle 5 is equal to angle 7, angle 6 is equal to angle 8. So this is this about that opposite angles. Then angles in linear pair are supplementary. See linear pairs, these are supplementary. म्हणजे रेषीय जोडीतील कोण हे परस्परांशी काय पूरक असतात. म्हणजे 1, 2 जे आहे ह्यांची जी काय आहे इक्वल टू किती असतं 180 असतं. मीन्स दीज आर हे रेषीय जोडीतील कोण असतात. त्याच्यानंतर 3, 4, त्याच्यानंतर 2, 3, त्याच्यानंतर 4, 1. All these that's having a linear pair. these are the supplementary. Then again we can say that the one pair of corresponding angle is congruent, then all remaining pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. एक जोडी जर कॉन्ग्रंट असेल तर सर्वच्या सर्व जोड्या इथं कॉन्ग्रंट असतात. So we can give in that the sign, that equal sign or congruent sign, whatever you take that. Angle angle 5, angle 2 is equal to angle 6, angle 3 is equal to angle 7, angle 4 is equal to angle 8. So this is about that these are the two that alternate angles. When one pair of that alternate angle is congruent, then all the remaining pairs of alternate angles are congruent. मीन्स एक जर जोडी इथं काय कॉन्ग्रंट असेल तर दुसरी जोडी पण तिथं काय कॉन्ग्रंट असते. देन व्हेन वन पेअर ऑफ interior angles of one side of transversal is supplementary, then the other pair of that interior angles of also supplementary. So again we can say that having interior about exterior angle, also we write all these. So this is our information, brief information about that, the pairs of corresponding angles, interior alternate angle, exterior alternate angle, then linear pair angles. Interior angles are same side, vertically opposite angles are equal and congruent. In your book, that page number 14, they will be given some activity that properties learn about that properties of parallel line. म्हणजे ह्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीद्वारे तुम्ही काय प्रॉपर्टीज त्याचे जे काही आहेत गुणधर्म, पॅरल लाईन समांतर रेषेची गुणधर्म काय दिलेले पहा. टेक अ 2 पीस ऑफ दॅट थिक कलर पेपर. तो कलर पेपर घ्यायचे आहे, त्याच्यावर काय ड्रॉ दॅट पेअर्स ऑफ पॅरल लाईन्स अँड ट्रान्सव्हर्सल. प्रेस दॅट स्ट्रेट स्टिक्स ऑन लाईन. त्या रेषेवर तिथं काय त्या रेषेवर तिथं जे काय आहेत काठीसारखे जे आहेत ते तिथं ठेवायचे आहेत आणि अँगल कापायचे आहेत. जसं की आता 1 2 3 4 अँगल दिलेले आहेत आणि ते अँगल तिथं काय करायचं, कट पीस करायचं पेपर आणि त्याप्रमाणे ते काय करायचं, ते अँगल 1च्या कॉर्नरला 1 आणि 2 अशा प्रकारे तिथं डिफरंट पीस near that's having corresponding angle and alternate angles and interior angles that's having verify the property. आणि ते काय करायचं आहे, तिथं ते जे काय आहेत कापून तिथं काय चिटकवायचे आहे. अशा प्रकारे इथं ॲक्टिव्हिटी पूर्ण करायला इथं सांगितलं आहे. आणि वेगवेगळे जे काही पेअर्स आहेत ते पेअर्स इथं आपण सहजतेने इथं काय आपण ओळखू शकतो. जसं की आता इथे लिनियर पेअर दाखवलेला आहे. देन करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल्स, इंटेरियर अल्टरनेट अँगल दाखवलेला आहे, अल्टरनेट इंटेरियर अँगल्स, इंटेरियर अँगल दाखवलेला आहे इथं. अशा प्रकारे इथं बरेचसे जे काय आहेत ॲक्टिव्हिटीद्वारे इथं आपण काय पाहू शकतो. यस, फर्स्ट थेरम that is the interior angle theorem. What say that interior angle theorem? See, if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then the interior angles are either the side of that transversals are supplementary. See, line M, L and M are these two parallel lines and N is the transversal. And what he say that the if two lines of that parallel lines are intersected by transversal, two lines that's having intersected by that transversal, interior angles of either side. So these two interior angles of either sides, these are two either sides interior angles that are supplementary. Okay, we prove that. हमको क्या करना है, प्रूफ करना है कि ये दो एंगल्स इंटीरियर एंगल जो है सप्लीमेंट्री है. ओके, so one by one we'll discuss. See that first of all write down that the given, what they will be given. हमको क्या दिया है इसमें वो हमको लिखना है. See, write down L parallel to M, line M parallel to M and और क्या दिया है हमको, line N is transversal by transversal angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D and angle E are formed. तो ये दो लाइन, तो पैरेलल लाइन और एक ट्रांसवर्सल से इतने एंगल्स फॉर्म हो रहे. कौन से A, B, C, D एंड E. ओके, नाउ दिस इज गिवन. व्हाट वी प्रूव, वी वांट टू प्रूव हेयर, हमको क्या प्रूव करना है, these two are the supplementary, means that a plus b is equal to 180 and c plus d is equal to angle c, angle d is equal to 180. Okay, write down here to prove angle a plus angle b is equal to 180 degree, angle c plus angle d is equal to 180 degree. This we want to prove. Okay, this is a indirect proof. So in that indirect proof we know very well, स्टार्ट में हमको क्या करना है, उल्टा सपोज करना है इसको. अब यहाँ पे बता रहा है, क्या बता रहा है कि ये 180 है, तो हमको कैसे प्रूफ करना है. अब यहाँ पे 3 कंडीशन दिए हैं, वो 3 कंडीशंस को इधर क्या करना है, हमको लेना है. विच आर दैट 3 कंडीशन. सी कंडीशन फर्स्ट व्हाट दैट एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी इज लेस देन 180 डिग्री. एंगल ए एंगल बी क्या है, लेस देन 180. लेस देन 180 मतलब ए 180 से कम है. ओके, व्हाट इज द सेकंड कंडीशन हियर. सेकंड कंडीशन इज दैट एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी इज ग्रेटर देन 180. एंड थर्ड कंडीशन इज दैट, व्हाट इज द थर्ड कंडीशन हियर, एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. So we check that which condition will satisfy for this theorem. Okay, one by one will we take that for condition 1. First we take that for condition first. For condition first, what you say that the condition first say that angle A plus angle B is less than 180 degree. Okay, less than 180 degree. Then what we write, then line L is not parallel to line M. This is not possible. This is not possible because it is given that line L parallel to line M. अब ये पॉसिबल क्यों नहीं है, क्योंकि हमको दिया है लाइन L एंड लाइन M आर पैरेलल, और ये क्या बता रहा है कि A और B लेस देन 180 है. अगर ये लेस देन 180 अगर है तो ये दो लाइन इंटरसेक्ट हो सकते हैं आगे जाके. तो हमको क्या दिया है गिवन में, व्हाट दे विल बी दैट लाइन L पैरेलल टू लाइन M, ये हमको दिया है. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी सेड दैट दिस कंडीशन इज नॉट, द गिवन कंडीशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, for condition 2 we check that condition 2. For condition 2 we check that condition 2. Okay, what is the condition, what condition that say angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. पता है हमको A और D ये 180 डिग्री है. क्यों, लीनियर पेयर एंगल, रेषीय जोड़ी त्रिकोण. ओके, इधर हम लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे लीनियर पेयर angle. Okay, then again angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Write down that same linear pair angle. Same B and C. See here, B and C. These are also a linear pair angles. So these linear pairs are supplementary. So that's why we can write that 180 degree. So write down here angle A plus angle D plus angle B plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 plus 180. Okay, now here AB हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें AB अलग लिखेंगे और DC अलग लिखेंगे. तो राइट डाउन एंगल C प्लस एंगल D इज इक्वल टू 360, 180 180 360 माइनस, ये इधर आएंगे माइनस होगा, एंगल A प्लस एंगल B माइनस एंगल B. or again we can write that angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 minus
A
angle
plus
A
B
minus angle B. मतलब एंगल बी और एंगल ए ये माइनस 360 से माइनस हो रहे हैं, मतलब what say we can say that the angle C plus angle D is less than 180. एंगल सी और एंगल डी क्या है, लेस देन 180 है. दिस also not possible because line L and line M are parallel. They will be given here start. So again this condition get false or it is not possible. Again we write that right here, then line L is not parallel to line M. This is not possible. This is not possible because it's given that it is given that line L parallel line M. They will be given us to line L and line M are parallel. So we can write that angle A plus angle B is greater than 180 degree is not possible. Is not possible. So for condition 3, what we say that here we given that the equation number 1 and 2, which is the equation number 1 condition 1 and condition 2. For condition 3, what we write, yes, for condition 3 angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. We know from condition 1 and condition 2 we can write here what we write, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 formed by a transversal of two parallel lines are equal measure. See, these are the corresponding angles 1, 3. So line L and line M are two parallel lines and N is a transversal. So what they will be given here, so write down the given line L parallel to line M, line N is transversal. So what we want to prove, here angle 1 is equal to angle 3. This angle 1 is equal to angle 3 we want to prove here. Write down proof. In the proof that write down angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because these are the linear pair angle. Equation number 1. See, angle 1, angle 2, these are the linear pair angle, and linear pair angles are supplementary. So that's why we write down angle A1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. Now angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Which are that angle 2, angle 3? These are the interior angle theorem. Interior angle theorem. We can write down angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 2. Equation number 2. From 1 and 2. What we write that from 1 and 2. So add these two. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. 2 get cancel. What remain? Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. See here, angle 1 and angle 3 we prove that what we want. So see, write down hence the corresponding angles formed by transversal of parallel line of equal measure so this is a proof. The correspond sorry, the alternate angles here. Okay, see here alternate angle theorem. So these are that alternate angles are there 1 and 3. So we show that they are equal measure. So right, see here in the given that means alternate angle theorem, what say that alternate angles are formed by the transversal of two parallel lines are equal measure. So given L line L parallel to line M and line N is a transversal. See these two lines L and L and M are that parallel lines and N is the transversal. So we want to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. This angle 1 and angle 3 are equal measure. So first write down angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. See these are that linear pair angle 1 and 2. Equation number 1, angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Interior angle theorem. Equation number 2, from equation 1 and 2 we take that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. 2 get cancelled, that remain angle 1 and angle 3. So hence we can say that the alternate angles are formed by the transversals of parallel lines are equal measure.